Hey guys, this is Celeste. I'm doing a video today on TTDeye contacts. Got three colors. I got Polar Lights Brown, I got Stardoll Brown, which is the ones I'm wearing right now for the video, and I am also going to be showing you Vintage Brown. Vintage Brown. I did wear those out already, and a lot of people like them, but they couldn't really tell that I had them on because it's kind of a darker. I'll show you. I'll just show you. But yeah, stay tuned if you want to see those colors on my dark brown eyes. Keep on watching.
Talking like a girl in the corner with the scarlet letter. While you're watching, you may think that she doesn't matter. No one knows you better.
But anyways, yeah, I got three contacts. This is the packaging it comes in. It has like instructions on the back, like of how to put contacts on. I don't know. I've been wearing contacts for like 5 years now. Yeah, 5 years. Yeah. I do wear prescription, so I'm wearing contacts right now because I usually do wear glasses. But yeah, so this is what it is. Oops. They come with some tattoos. I don't know, I don't wear them, but they're cute. And it came with this. I don't know why it's after Christmas, but they sent me a Christmas little card. And it comes with a little handheld mirror, which is so cute. It's kind of small, but like it's cute to keep in your purse, you know? And yeah. And it also comes with a case to hold your contacts. I don't know, I'm just making this really quick, guys, because like I've seen videos and they just go into detail for every small little thing, and I'm like, just get to the point, right? But yeah, they came with three of these to hold your things, and they came with like little things of glitter. I have no idea what to use this for, so I usually just throw these away. But it's a cute little thing. Like, I don't know if you want to use glitter on your face, if you do that makeup stuff, you know? And yeah, so one of the pairs came in a box like this, a small little like box like this. It's holographic and stuff. But the other ones came like in a different packaging, the other two. So I don't know why it's different like that, but yeah. But so far I opened these. These are the vintage brown ones. I got that color in vintage brown. And the contacts come in a little bottle like this. It's like super tiny, but I thought it was really cute. But they're not in there. I already like, took them out and they're in the case. But yeah, and the other ones come in like this. Like, it's right there, the contact, you could see, and it comes with the thing. You just lift it open. I still have to try these on. These, I forgot the name. I'll put the name like right now, like it'll pop up on the screen. But these are like a type of brown, and they have like, honestly, like stars in them, like actual shapes of stars on the contact, which I thought was weird, but I saw pictures of people with it on, and I thought it looked pretty natural looking. Kind of pretty natural looking, so we'll try that on in a second. And these ones, I believe these are this is another type of brown, but this is like a really light brown. I'll put the name right here too, so because right now their names are slipping. But yeah, so I'm gonna try those on. First I'm gonna try on vintage brown. I'm not even gonna show you me putting them on because that's gonna be really weird. So I'm just gonna like pop up right now with them on in like 3 seconds. Okay guys, so I put on vintage brown. Sorry if you hear like construction in the background. There's construction on the other side. But yeah, this is vintage brown. I like these. I wore these out to work the other day. They're more subtle than other colors that I've tried. It's because it's like dark on the outside and then like more light in the inside. So I feel like it morphs better to my dark brown eyes because I have dark brown eyes. So yeah, but yeah, these are vintage brown. So, tell me what you think about these. I like them, but I feel like these ones, you kind of can tell that they're like contacts. Alright guys, so now I'm tried on the Polar Lights Brown. Yeah, Polar Lights Brown. And this one I was kind of wary about because like they're really light, like when you see the contact, and I was like, how are these gonna look on my dark brown eyes? But this is how they look. I kind of like them. They're like give you that like light brown look, like super light brown. Like, do even people have this color eye? But I think it looks nice. What do you think? Okay guys, so I have now on the Stardoll Brown. Is that what it's called? Yeah, Stardoll Brown. Yeah. So these are like doll-like type contacts. So like they're bigger, because you know how the pupil or whatever it's called is like bigger than normal. So it looks a little bigger. You can't really tell because they're like dark brown, but I wanted like contacts that are more like natural, so I could just wear them and they'll look more natural. But I didn't think they're gonna be this big on, so I don't know. But I think it's fine. But yeah, I'll do a close-up like of the contacts so you can see how they look, like not on, but like in the contact case. But yeah, what do you guys think? Is it close enough? I don't know. Alright, I also, before ending this video, wanted to let you guys know I'm putting on contacts. Put them on before your makeup, because when you put them on after doing your makeup, it's a mess. You get makeup on the contact and then it bugs your eye and then your eye gets irritated, and that is no bueno, so don't do that. I had to do that for the video because, you know, gotta be ready, and then I had to change the contacts and it wasn't fun, so don't do it. Okay guys, I just want to thank you for watching my video. It's been a pleasure. Just kidding. But yeah, but watch out for new videos. I'm going to be bringing out some new videos, more content, which I'm very happy about because I have more time. But yeah, so watch out for those. If you like the video, click a thumbs up and subscribe. If you want to see more of my content, you know you do. But yeah, and then if you want, also hit that bell thingy majigger to get notified when I do make a new video. So your phone will be blowing up, be like, Celeste made a new video, go watch. Just kidding. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.